Good afternoon, everyone. Today's adventure brings us to the Mason Jar restaurant over in Auburn, Alabama. And they have the very best milkshakes in the world. And we're going to go in and try one. I'm going to show you something really cute over here. On their front porch, they have this little place where you can get a picture made. It's really, really cute. You can just stand right there at their little place right there. You can have your picture made holding your favorite milkshake. All right, let's go in. Let's go take a look at this unusual restaurant. War Eagle, Auburn University. It says Auburn fans are welcome, others by appointment. So if you're a Georgia Bulldog, you have to make an appointment. Awesome. So cute. This is the Mason Jar over here in Auburn, Alabama. They have a buffet here at the Mason Jar, and I believe we're going to sample some of this delicious food here. Is this separate? Okay. What's on your buffet today?
We have the fried pork chops, chicken tenders, meatloaf.
Okay. And what time is y'all's buffet usually here?
Till 2.
Until 2. Okay, well that's awesome. I think I already know what I'm going to get. Yes. And I think we're going to get lima beans, and I think we're going to get a yeast roll right over here. Yum. We're getting some of this good home cooking here at the Mason Jar restaurant. And that, what kind of cobbler is that?
That is blackberry cobbler and peach cobbler.
Blackberry and peach. Delicious. Looks very delicious. Now that's really, really cute. My Mason Jar runneth over. And we have a great seat right up front. And I love those sunflowers. Those are beautiful. I got the fried pork chop with the mashed potatoes, and I'm about to try it. Those mashed potatoes are excellent. They're smooth. They have a great flavor. This yeast roll is great too. It's all homemade. And it's very delicious.
Not me.
That's the meatloaf with the blackberry cobbler, mashed potatoes, and green beans. Let me sample this pork chop. That's good. That's delicious. That is absolutely delicious. This deep fried pork chop is delicious. Absolutely delicious. I absolutely love it. So good. Very delicious deep fried pork chop here at the Mason Jar. It makes for a very unique flavor. The food on their buffet is incredible. Delicious. If you want a home-cooked meal, or you can order off of the menu here at the Mason Jar. Real good. Great food. That says Auburn Tigers way up there. This is the menu here at the Mason Jar. They have everything from wings, sides, appetizers, dinners. They have a jumbo baked potato also, which that looks really good. This is the other side of the menu. They have sandwiches, they have salads, desserts, wraps, beverages. They have sweet tea, which comes in a beautiful jar. Mason jar. Awesome. When I was here last time, I got the cheeseburger, and that was delicious. Now that's awesome. This is home to the Auburn Tigers, but they list all of the universities and the mileage. And I know whenever Auburn plays Georgia, it's a wonderful game to watch. That usually happens around November. Either they play it over here or they play it in Athens. That's awesome too, I like that. This is their milkshake bar. It's a neat place to come and order your milkshake. This is really cool. This is a little sitting area or a little country store. You can go in there. I guess they have, maybe they have live music here. I'm not really sure. If you know, leave me a comment below. They have a little seating area. The little Labradors. And this is like a little country store. They call it the little country store or general store. Really cute little sitting area. To go sample a shake. There's little condiment trucks. You set the little condiments down there, like your ketchup and your mustard. They're really, really cute, and they actually roll. Or the one I set beside rolled. Okay, so this one rolls. All right. It's cute. I like these unusual ceiling tiles here. There's one that says War Eagle. And of course they have the beautiful ocean wave ceiling tile. That's really unique. How true is that? Home is not a place, it's a feeling. That's true. And that's an Auburn Tigers $2 bill. How about that? They have all kinds of cakes. Carrot, strawberry, think that one over there is a I think they told me it was granola. And then this one's a coconut. That's a red velvet. And of course, that's strawberry. That's Oreo cookie right there. And the chocolate right behind it. Yum. And these are lemonades. They have blue raspberry, watermelon, mango, regular lemonade, and on the end over there it's pink lemonade. Delicious. Delicious. Beautiful. I just realized something. These little lights up here are little mason jars. If y'all notice. They're little mason jars. How cute. Little mason jar lights. Aren't they cute? This is their shake menu. Now the mason jar is known for their shakes. I ordered the one with the cheesecake. The strawberry cheesecake one. I think the first thing I'm going to try is the cheesecake. Because I'm a huge fan of cheesecake. That sign up there says the South is a place where macaroni cheese is a vegetable. That's pretty much true. They just brought my cheesecake, my strawberry cheesecake shake out, and this is absolutely beautiful. I think the first thing I'm going to taste is the cheesecake. This is awesome. It's strawberry vanilla, I believe. Comes with a strawberry skewer and a piece of cheesecake and some zebra cakes. Now, how about that? Let's try it out. What are y'all's hours of operation here at the Mason Jar?
We open at 11 every day and we close at 9 p.m.
Okay, awesome. Awesome. I love coming here. This is my favorite place.
I'm here almost every day.
I love it. We love the Auburn Tigers too, even though we're Georgia Bulldog fans.
Oh yeah.
Whenever Georgia plays Auburn, that's a big game every year.
We
It's
have
a big
all
game.
teams coming here. All those people take that over the wall.
I saw that. That is awesome. That's like the Southeastern Conference right over there, SEC.
Tells you how far everything is away.
Yeah, that is awesome.
On game days, there's full of Auburn fans.
Well, War Eagle. Yeah. You're welcome. Now this is delicious. You get a cup full of whipped cream up at the top, and then down there is your strawberry cheesecake vanilla ice cream. Ooh, this is heavenly. Delicious. That beautiful milkshake was absolutely delicious. Every last bite of it, absolutely scrumptious. Out of this world amazing here at the Mason Jar in Auburn, Alabama. So good. This was delicious, delicious stuff here at the Mason Jar in Auburn, Alabama. I'm going to show y'all something really, really cool over here. This was built over in Tuskegee, Alabama. These little go-karts here. That one has a war eagle on it. Look at that. But these are like little golf carts, I believe, converted into little carts. That's really, really cool. Really, really cool. I even like the little mailbox. Somebody loves Auburn. And here's another little cart out here. It has a war eagle on the top. This is really cute. That's like a little 4-seater. Really, really cute little decoration there. Has all kinds of stuff on it. Auburn University on the back. Little drivable. I could say it's a bicycle, but I think it has a motor. That is so, so cool. If you've enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. And most importantly, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching.